parts of this song Hurts Me Too by Faye Webster. It's got two chords that sound almost the same. D minor 7, which starts the verse, and then F major 7, which starts the chorus. So the verse is D minor 7, which is like an F chord, a beginner F chord, but you take your ring finger off and play the open D. But you're holding down the top two strings at the first fret, and then the third string at the second fret. And then we go to a C major 7, which is just like a C chord. You take your index finger off. She plays it like this, with the G in the bass. But you can play it either way. I don't think it makes a difference. In the recording, you don't hear the G. So that's the verse, and then at the end of the verse, at the end of the verse, I believe it goes to F major 7. And we have this walk up. That's E on the third fret, which is your G note. An open A, and then A at the third fret. And then what we play is an F major 7. G major 7. F, that's how it ends. Those are all the chords. But when you have two chords that are very close together and sound like D minor 7 and F major 7, one way to figure out which goes where is to play them in different positions. Like you could play the chorus or the verse. If it works in other positions, other chord positions, then you know you have the right chord. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Thanks for the request.